Episode 7 of Salty Badger Shop Adventures. Today, we're going to be using this tool to bleed the brakes on our project bike. It's getting very close to being completed, but yet I am not going to completely reveal that as of yet. But before we get things started, we're going to send this package out to Dr. Harley for his Veterans Chopper build. We have a few extra parts and we'd like to help out people to help out veterans. So we're going to send this out to him. And if you don't yet follow him, check out his stuff on YouTube. Puts out some very good content on his page. And we like to follow along ourselves. So please check it out. Now, let's get on with our adventures from Salty Badger. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Nicely packaged. We have instructions. We have an assembled unit, except for the air fitting not supplied. We'll tighten down the air fitting, install the hose. Has a very nice quick disconnect. Unwrap the hose, walk over to the master cylinder now. Take the master cylinder lid off. Remove the two screws, lift the lid off, open up our .5 brake fluid, synthetic from Max, supplied by Napa. Fill the master cylinder up, using a funnel to prevent spillage. It's a little tough to get around. Put the funnel away, put the lid back on our brake fluid so it doesn't gain any moisture. Now, we're going to go around. Okay, now we'll crack the bleeder. We have some stuff covered up so that if the brake fluid gets on it, it doesn't hurt anything. And we take the bleeder attachment that fits nicely and snug on top of the bleeder, and we pull the trigger. And we have fluid flow. It does have a lock on there, so that you can keep pulling air while you close the bleeder. And we'll make some studs. We'll pull out the rest of the fluid that's in the hose. Say that bleeder worked very nicely. Now we're going to put the master cylinder lid back on. We're going to tighten down the screws. I definitely recommend the one-man brake bleeder. It worked well on this project. I'll be using it again. Now we'll pump up the brake. Check to see we have brakes. This step is done in the project. This is the end of the episode 7 of Salty Badger Adventures. Have a nice night.